Did you know you can make an Orange Julius at home with 3 easy ingredients? Let me show you this recipe so you can have an Orange Julius at any time. Let's get started. Today we'll be needing a cup of orange juice, some condensed milk, and some regular milk. Now the trick to get the consistency of the orange juice right is using frozen orange juice. I found that using frozen orange juice boxes were the easiest and most convenient for this recipe. Take your frozen orange juice and put it into a Ziploc bag and make sure you seal it up tight. It's smashing time! Smash the orange juice so there are no large chunks left. This will make the blending a breeze. It's also a great stress reliever. Into a blender, put 1 cup of your frozen smashed orange juice, followed by a ½ cup of regular milk, and finally a tablespoon of sweetened condensed milk. Condensed milk sweetens and gives you that delicious dreamsicle flavor. It's blending time! Doesn't that look so delicious? And there you have it, your own Orange Julius you can have at any time. Enjoy! If you like this recipe, check out my mango smoothie.